you were jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too.
Hello folks, welcome to another Out and About with yours truly, Yardie TV. Today I'm in Miami heading home from the dentist, and it's been a rough day. It's been a really rough day. I had 3 fillings to do and a cleaning, and after going through that situation, that experience, you really don't want to go home and cook anything. And I know the wife is home right now and she's working, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go and stop and get something for her to eat, get something on the road. And for this reason, I am heading to Northwest Seafood Outlet, which is in North Miami, and I'm gonna get myself some seafood. Come along and see what they have now. Yes, sir. Remember me tell you. Northwest Seafood Outlet. I'm gonna go in here and check out some seafood. Fish, salmon, fish roll, Now, one of the good things about Northwest Seafood Outlet is whatever seafood they sell, they also prepare for you. Yes, you can get your seafood fried, steamed, or brown stewed. And this makes it so easy. Not many places you will go and you can buy raw fish or raw seafood and leave out of the store with it piping hot and cooked to your desire. Friendly staff, nice place, and guess what? It's really one of them home, nice neighborhood type of settings where anything you see where you want, they prepare it for you. I promise you, I had to try a bunch of stuff. I think I'm going a little bit overboard, but hey. And even though I'm not recommending that you eat fried foods, it's better to have fried fish than any other fried food. Well, fried food is fried food. But today, I sort of went a little bit beyond my regular scope in ordering up some stuff. And I am just showing you guys how the food is presented in a nice little container with some lime wedges. They don't have it. It's no frills and no thrills to this food. It's just a seafood outlet, a regular home style seafood outlet, and they serve the community. They've been in North Miami for quite some time, and they serve the community. A lot of people buy from them, and today we're gonna be sampling it. So let me just turn over the whole of this to the wifey because she can't wait for dive in. Because the seafood is our favorite thing to eat, right?
Food time. Food time. This is the food. That's kingfish. Yes. And this over here so is catfish and snapper bites.
I'm a snapper.
Ooh.
Grouper.
Ooh, grouper. Ooh. Grouper and catfish. The bites are the grouper and then these humongous pieces of fish. That's a catfish right there. It's about to go down.
And map avocado.
And he went and got some Haitian rice, black rice, black bean rice. whatever you call it. It nice. Yeah, so.
And we have sauce. Yeah. So, I forgot to dish out our plate.
This is not really a mukbang, you know.
No.
It's a mukbangish.
It's a bang muk.
Alright, so let me get the plate over here. That's my plate.
And we have avocados. I made some sauce. Tell them what is going on here, baby.
Catfish. Grouper bites. And this is kingfish.
And we have some
Haitian rice.
Haitian rice. And that's gonna be our dinner. So the wifey already started the mukbang. And
Bangish.
mukbangish. And we're just here. Check out my Yardie t-shirt. But guys, as I said, the food is available, you know, and the guys them do a good job. See my sauce, let me just make. You like the sauce? You know, say man.
This avocado is from a friend's house and it's so good.
Today was a rough day. You know? I'm still not sure I'm chewing right. Have you guys ever been to the dentist and you come home worse than you've been there? Like one of my teeth them feel sensitive now.
That's because it's just done. You have to give it a couple of hours or days.
Look at this, guys. Kingfish.
Let me tell you one of the reasons why I would opt for doing this. It's when you live in a small house. One of those houses that are so small that when you roll off the bed, you drop in the kitchen. It's not pretty to be frying fish inside of your house. You know what I'm saying?
For real, for real.
For days, the house smell like
Smell
fish.
like fish.
You go up on the road, all your clothes smell like fish. The curtain trap the fish smell. The AC vent run with the fish smell.
And when you have a customer,
Client.
or a client, excuse me. When you have a client, you don't want the people them come and it
One
smell
like
like
you sell
fish.
food.
Like you sell food. You know? Even when Yardie TV viewers come over, I feel a way about doing food anyway.
Which I don't think you should, because that's what you do.
But the place small, isn't it?
It depends on what you're cooking. Like, definitely you don't want to be cooking eggs. I hate when you're frying eggs in the house and the whole place smell like egg. I hate that. Matter of fact, I don't eat eggs no more.
Sometimes we just boil the eggs because we don't want people to feel bad. You know? But I can recommend that every now and then, if you have to buy food on the street, this is a good alternative to the regular fast food. And it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to do, depending on how full the store is. As I said, guys, this is not a restaurant. It is a seafood market. You saw, you see the video. But
They sell shrimp
and
they cook it and crab.
Hey, them have
blue
garlic crab, any crab you want.
So, what fish, so much fish I got?
This is an impromptu video. Please leave me alone. They have crabs, guys, in buckets. $12.
Really?
You know them have a megabyte? Alligator. Them can fry it for you. Or you can carry it home and jerk it.
Or you can leave it in the sea, but the ocean. Where you come from again?
What you mean?
The lake where it belongs.
Wow. Guys, there's no way I'm gonna ever sit down here and eat up one whole plate of fish like this. So this mukbang or mukbangish is coming to an end. Me no craving, me no promote gluttony.
Why you buy so much?
I bought it to try them. There's different things. You know like it.
Then I sell one piece.
Wow.
Sell me one slice of kingfish. Half a catfish. And
Wow.
two grouper bites.
And guys, the reason why Joshua, the food lover, is not out here is because
He's Josh the fish eater.
him love food but him hate fish.
So you asked what he's eating for his dinner? Good question. Wrong person.
And guess what? His school is right beside a Chick-fil-A. So when I picked him up this afternoon, he was very much so Chick-fil-A'd out. Hey, no bones off my skin or so, or skin off my bones.
And this is the problem when you make your kids end up with money. They buy food in it.
This is grouper. And guys, as I said, this was raw. So it's not like them give me something I'm not see. You know, I saw it. And she weighed it out. And yeah, 1 pound. All in all, this meal came up to $30. Wow.
That's supposed to be an eye pop out of the socket. That's not bad.
Not bad.
That's the price for one crab cake.
You should not be mentioning crab cake on this channel. And them sell crab cake, you know?
Good for them.
And them sell fish balls.
Like
No, not fish balls. It's like, what do you call it now? It's like fried fish, but it's like hush puppy type of way. Pass the black rice for me. And guys, this is good. This is really good. If you have never tried it before, it's super delicious. Let me share out a little bit in this container over here, so because the rest of it is going in the fridge. This meal shall be eaten for the rest of the week.
Sorry.
Now there's no way we're gonna waste it. No way. I'm having more avocados than rice. Yep. For real. And the wife is gone for what up? Where you gone for, see? What you gone for? Wow, she's been mean, super mean. But the Lord shall add iniquity to her iniquity.
No, he won't. Baby cucumber. He needs something cool.
The dentist not finished work by my mouth.
Why? Why?
Enough you finish.
That's how it always is, babe. And then sometimes when they fill your teeth and you come home, you feel the filled area feel rough and jagged, like it wasn't buffed properly. But then by a day or two, it normally fixes itself.
And guess what? I have no more cavities.
You're cavity free.
And I'm not seeing him until 6 months' time.
Look at you.
You know how much money them charge me? We'll eat this today, no? Trust me, I'm totally money. I have no money now. Totally not no money.
But you also done the cavity.
I'll take the money and the cavity. Once again, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, stick and stay. Yardie TV. If you're in Miami, check out that seafood place. It's worth it. Until such time as we talk again, Mondays, Thursdays, Saturdays, video upload. Put on your notification bell, like, share, and subscribe, and all these things to Yardie TV. Peace in the Middle East.